Step into Street George, and you'll feel as if time has stood still. This town, perched on Bermuda's northeastern tip, isn't just a destination, it's a storybook of the past, where cobblestone streets, pastel houses, and centuries-old churches whisper tales of explorers, merchants, and everyday island life from long ago. Founded in 1612, Street George is the oldest continuously inhabited English town in the New World. Walking through its narrow lanes feels like strolling through a living museum. Every corner holds history, yet the atmosphere remains vibrant, with locals and visitors mingling seamlessly. UNESCO recognized this charm, awarding Street George the honor of World Heritage Site status, a badge of authenticity you can feel the moment you arrive. Start your journey at King's Square, the lively heart of the town. Here you'll see historic stocks and pillories, reminders of colonial justice that spark both curiosity and conversation. Just steps away, the town hall and the Replica Deliverance ship showcase the stories of Bermuda's beginnings, inviting you to imagine the courage it took to survive and thrive on a remote island. Religious history shines in St. Peter's Church, the oldest Anglican church in continuous use in the Western Hemisphere. Its weathered stone walls and peaceful cemetery are a direct link to 4 centuries of community and faith. Around every corner, smaller chapels, museums, and art galleries add layers to the experience, making the town a treasure hunt for culture seekers. Yet Street George is not stuck in the past. Its cafes, boutiques, and oceanfront views create a lively rhythm. Stop for a traditional fish sandwich, sip on Bermuda's signature dark and stormy cocktail, or simply sit in a shaded square and watch daily life unfold much as it has for generations. For those who crave exploration, Tobacco Bay Beach is just a short walk away, offering crystal waters perfect for snorkeling. What makes Street George unforgettable is the blend of authenticity and accessibility. It's not about staged exhibits, it's about real streets, real buildings, and real people keeping history alive. Visitors leave with more than photos, they carry a sense of connection, as though they've touched a chapter of history that still breathes today. So when you picture your next adventure, ask yourself this: would you walk through a modern museum, or would you rather live inside one?